And going green is not just trendy now, but also the need of the hour. And how about plastic-free sanitary pads for women? Well, that's exactly what a young team fresh from college in Coimbatore has launched through its startup. Plastic-free sanitary pads made out of naturally available fiber, and they seem to be doing quite well. And here is a chat I had with them. Fresh graduates who have developed a green solution. They've come out with an eco-friendly, plastic-free sanitary pads for women. With me, Niveda and Gautam. Thank you both very much for your time. Gautam, you said it was an accidental discovery in your college. Tell me about that.
Yes, sir. There was an NGO from Andhra Pradesh. He came to our college and he got a Kenna fiber with him. And we made a fabric out of it. And after that, we came to know it has good absorbency and natural antimicrobial properties. And we have another perspective. Why don't we give a real solution for the problem in this world? So we implement this product in the sanitary pads. And again, we tested in the Bureau of Indian Standards. And it's perfectly fitting for the sanitary pads. And we made a sanitary pads out of it.
Right. Niveda, plastic-free sanitary pads are very important now.
Yes, plastic-free sanitary pads are very important in today's world because in India alone, nearly 113,000 tons of plastic is being disposed of every year in India. So we wanted to give a solution for that, as well as nearly 60% of the women are not satisfied by the existing sanitary pads in terms of the plastic feel, itching, irritation, rashes, and even they're not satisfied by the odor of the sanitary pad. So we wanted to give a solution for that.
How long do commercial pads take to degrade, to decompose, and how long does yours take?
A commercial sanitary pads takes nearly 500 to 800 years to degrade, but our napkin takes 6 to 8 months to degrade.
You tested that?
Yes, and our packaging is also a paper box which is not laminated. So the complete box is biodegradable.
Right. How does it feel to be a young entrepreneur, fresh from college, starting up something like this?
So both of us were placed in IT company and inspection company, but we dropped it. When you become an entrepreneur, it is really very nice and happy to work for you and work for ourselves actually. And risk taking is very, very important in an entrepreneur. So when you take risk, entrepreneurship is really very nice. Without risk taking, entrepreneurship is impossible.